Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Rolfia, and Rolfia synonyms are Rolfia root, Serpentina, Chota Chand, and is also called as Sarpagandha. Coming to its biological source, it consists of dried roots of Rolfia serpentina, and it belongs to the family Apocynaceae, and it contains not less than 0.15% of reserpine and edgmalicin. Coming to its geographical source, several species are found in tropical regions of Asia, Africa, and America, and commercially it is produced in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, and America. In India, it is found in UP, Bihar, Orissa, West Bengal, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Coming to its history, because of its snake-like structure, it is known as Sarpagandha. In 1952, a scientist named Muller who found its main chemical constituent known as reserpine. Coming to its cultivation and collection, it grows in hot humid condition, grows satisfactorily in shade, it grows in variety of soils, soil pH is 4 and temperature it ranges from 10 degrees to 38 degrees it needs, and a rainfall it needs 250 to 500 centimeters. Coming to its macroscopic characters, its color is root bark looks grayish yellow to brown and wood, pale yellow, odor is odorless, taste bitter, size 10 to 18 centimeter long, 1 to 3 centimeter diameter, and its shape is roots are subcylindrical shaped, slightly tapering and tortuous. This is the Rolfia root. You can find longitudinal wrinkles and root scars over it. The chemical constituents are important alkaloid reserpine, and other alkaloids are edgmalicin, rolfin, resinamide, reserpine, yoimbin, serpentin, and serpentinine. This is the chemical structure of Rolfia. Here we can see, if we substitute this R1 with H, it forms diserpidine. If we substitute this R1 with OCH3, it forms into reserpine. Do practice this. Coming to its uses, it is used as antihypertensive. It's used to treat mild essential hypertension, mild anxiety condition, and some neuropsychiatric disorders, and is also used as tranquilizer. So this is totally about Rolfia serpentina root.